This here, that's DreamWorks real life, or the Pocahontas tree in reality. I think I found the ideal tropical paradise on this wonderful island. Now where it's located and especially how to come here and what you need to know, I'm going to tell you in this video. We just reached here. We're now going to hike to this wonderful tree, the mother tree that I think looks like from the movie Pocahontas. So we have to walk along the rice fields. This is for me a very new experience, although I've seen so many rice fields during my time I lived in Southeast Asia, but I never managed to actually be in the middle of it. Super nice. Ground is a little bit muddy, so you have to be careful to not fall. So we just arrived here. It took only 3 minutes. I think they've really improved. I saw in one of the travel guide videos, Gypsy in sneakers. She said it took 20 minutes. It's definitely much shorter. This is the reason why I came here to Sumba in Indonesia, a dreamy island that is still not very much known, and you have beautiful landscapes like this without many tourists. In fact, we're the only tourists at this time. They're mainly locals, but it's not crowded at all. Okay, I'm going to swim, super excited. So in this dreamy paradise, let's see how it's going to be. Okay, kamu akan jump? Okay, cool. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I mean, this is definitely the best swimming pool I've ever been to. This tree and the waterfalls. I mean, what more? This is just perfect. You can actually walk on the waterfall, it's possible. Fantastic swimming. Wow. Well, this is really a perfect place for swimming. I didn't expect it to be this beautiful. I knew it's going to be very nice, but all in all, really amazing visit here. So this little paradise here is called Kacura. It's on the island of Sumba, which is southern of Flores, which is also becoming an increasingly popular tourist destination. But Sumba yet is basically Bali before the tourism boom. This is really incredible. By the way, here you can see how they're supplying the rice fields with water. So they have these irrigation systems, actually very similar to the wine terraces in the canton of Valais. They have these bis or suonen, and they just pass the rice fields to make sure that all the fields are going to be supplied with water. Super easy concept and really nice to see the similarities with the canton of Valais. Wow, what a day. Actually, this was definitely one of my best moments on my travels ever in my life. I also had my real life experience of DreamWorks. Also felt the vibes of the Pocahontas movie with the mother tree. And it's actually super easy to come here to this place. It's just 3 minutes from this road, easy hike, and then you're already immersing yourself into the real paradise. So if you want to see more videos like this, then I'm going to see you over there. Otherwise, if you're more interested in beautiful nature in Europe, then I'll see you in this video.